Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert MP4 file to MP3 file using VLC Media Player. So as you can see here, I have a MP4 file which is a video file here, and it has some sound here. Okay, and I want to convert this MP4 file to MP3 file. Let's see in the properties. This is a MP4 file .mp4 as you can see. So open your VLC Media Player. You can download it for free from its website, and then just go to media and go to convert save, and in here you need to choose your file which you want to convert. So our file name is mp4, so choose the destination where you have saved your mp4 file and choose the file and click open. Now click this convert save button in here, and in here you need to give the destination and the name of your file. So just browse for the destination wherever you want to save this file, new mp3 file I mean. So for example, I want to save my file alongside my mp4 file. Now here it's important to give name of your file. For example, I will name this file as mp3. Then you need to give the extension of your file also, which is mp3. So don't forget to give this extension, otherwise you will face difficulties. So just give the name of your file and then give the extension mp3 and just click save. And now you need to go to this settings section here, and you need to choose this last option called audio dash mp3. Just choose this audio mp3, and then you need to just start converting your video. As you can see, I have created this mp3 file here, and this mp3 file I can just right click and open it with VLC Media Player once again. So right click and open it and say yes, and you see here my mp3 file is playing. You can right click and go to the property, and you can see here it's a mp3 file, right? So in this way you can convert your mp4 file to mp3 file. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.